This is a quick video on understanding area. So it's going to be very simple and you'll be able to understand it going forward. So we have a problem like this that says which shapes have an area of 12 square units. And we have these different types of shapes here. And you're probably wondering, well, how could these possibly have the same area when they look so different? Well, the reason is that area is the amount of space something covers, like how much carpet you would need to cover a floor, or how many stickers fit on the page of a notebook to completely cover the page. So it's the amount of space something covers, okay? And I always like to think of it as the amount of carpet that can cover a floor. It's always the easiest way to remember it. So we could see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares here. On this blue one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. Okay? So this is 12 square units. And the blue one has 8 squares, and this is 8 square units. And this one, this pink one, has 12 squares. So this is 12 square units. And that is how you calculate area. And the units are always in square units. So you can see here that this amount of space will be the exact amount that covers this amount of space. So you would need the same amount of carpet to cover this space as you would for this one. So the answer is that these two shapes have an area of 12 square units. And that's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos that are similar to this. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.